Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. During this video, I'll be showing you a game that I recently made for a game jam that I participated a few weeks ago, and I'll give you a brief tour and an explanation of the game, and you can play the game at the link in the video description for free and have a look at the game I made. So a game jam is a kind of a tournament or a competition for you to join in for free most of the times, and you can show off your game dev skills and test your own skills as a game developer against other people's games. So you're given a theme. This game jam's theme was boss rushes, and essentially you had to make a game that is fully dependent on bosses. So you keep on fighting bosses all the time. I made for this game three bosses in limited time. The game jam was actually made for teams. I joined in on my own, so the results that I've gotten back wasn't very exciting in comparison to other people's games. So I wasn't expecting to win the game jam, obviously. So I joined in just for the funs of it, and I had about 2 weeks to make this game. So I did, I think, the best I could for this game. The game consists of three levels, three bosses that you need to fight. Each boss has their own kind of abilities, and as well as for the theme, there was another extra theme which was called Makeshift, and basically you had to include that into your game. And if you're not sure what a makeshift is, I wasn't sure either until I found this game jam. I had to Google what the word makeshift is. It's essentially acting as an intern and temporary measurement. So kind of have to find temporary things to be using into the game, and for this I used kind of um, these things that you can see on the screen, me shooting. You can see that I kill enemies and use them as their bullets to kill the boss. So that was kind of the makeshift theme of the game jam. They were not very strict about this, so that was no problem. I did ask the judges, and they allowed me to use this as my thing. The game is entirely made out of shapes, so I used only shapes that you can find uh, or make very easily. So you can see I've used pyramids, cubes, and also stars. I made them in Blender, and it was pretty easy for me to do because they were pretty simple shapes, likely. So I didn't want to put too much complexity into this. I want to make my life as easy as possible. And what I want you guys to do is go have a look at the game and play it yourselves, and give me your thoughts on it on this video and comment below your thoughts on it. And also ask me any question that you have for this video on how I made different things, maybe the abilities of the bosses, the movement, etc. And I can make a video about it demonstrating each of these abilities that you guys might be interested in. So you can play this game for free. Please don't judge me too hard on the game. I had very limited time, and it was kind of my uh, did this in my free time after work. So it's not very polished. It's not great, but I think it's still fun. At least it was fun for me to be playing it, and you can play it for free. Have a look at it. Give me your thoughts on it. Give me any videos that you want me to do on it. And anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and goodbye.